We'll be talking about how to plot a graph with Google Sheets. We all know that graphs are used to show pictorial information about particular data. So it gives us more insight about a particular data that has been given. So let's quickly go to Google Sheet and create a particular data. We can just say let's create a data called fruit, or you can say list of fruits. List of fruits. The list of fruits. I can say apple, banana, orange, and let's say purple. Let this be our last fruit, and we can number of outcome. Let's okay. Let me use outcome. Let's say this is the outcome of the number of fruits that we got. Let's insert 40 here, insert 50 here. We also insert, let's say 20, is 30. Okay, by plotting graph, all we need to do is to focus on the informations we want to be on the graph. It's just for us to highlight. Take this, click your mouse, highlight this, all of this. These are the informations you want to pick. Or you can also do this. Then you go to this an icon. Go to this icon here. You can see where my mouse here. Insert chart. Then insert chart. This is giving us a pie chart. We can set it up. If we don't want a pie chart, we can from here we can go. We can change it. Okay. Bring this one closer here. Okay. So this is our graph. This graph, it brings the outcome versus the list of fruits, and this is, you can see how simple it is. Okay, let's delete this. Let's add some more information. Let's say this is the price. Assuming the price is in dollars, and we have these as 5, we have these as 10, we have these as 15, and we have these as 20. Okay, we can also do this. Copy everything. We can copy everything here. I highlight everything here, and still go back to where we have that chart. Yeah, where we have that chart, we click on the chart. By clicking on the chart here, you can see it's giving us more information about this. This okay, bringing this one here. Let me just okay. So now we can set some things up here from the setup. Once you do that, it will auto populate, and it will from here we can change the title. We can change the title to, let's say, data for the or let's say the rates of fruits consumption. A random title. You can change the font. You can change the title font size. You can do a lot of settings here. You can even add color to the fonts. It's okay. This is becoming too um okay. Let me just take something random. Okay. So that's that. Okay. For this, you can also change how will I put it now? You can also edit this color. If you don't want this blue color, you can, for the outcomes, you can, okay, sorry. Okay. So First of all, let's change the background. Let's give it a nice look or something like the head. This is looks more darker. Change the background. Okay, and this is fine. This is fine. And let's go to axis. So this is the rate of fruit consumption that we did the other time, and this is all this. We can edit the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, and all of that. So this is showing us information about this. Also, if we want to we can also edit this price in dollars and outcome in outcome. If you want something, if you want another name for it, let's say you just want to change, you just want the price to be something, let's say amount. You want to use another English word. So you can change it here. So that's it. You change it. Want to change this one to just click on this. Once you click on it, from there you can also do some settings right here. So but that's not about that. So let's put this here. So let's say we want to create another another graph. So we can just highlight it as we have done before. Then we'll go to our chart here. When we put our chart here, we can set the chart type. I'll set the chart type to a pie chart this time around. This time pie chart. So all you just need is to arrange your data very well, very colorful, and we have a number of settings that you want, and you can also customize. You can customize the pie chart. You can change the style. You can change the background as we did the other time. You can change the font and the text. We also have different ways to slice. You can change all the background colors there by just clicking on the inside of that. You can see as I'm clicking it, the colors are changing. So the chart axis, we also have title for the outcome and price. You can change it. You can do a lot of settings there. You can explore. So let's leave this. Let's leave this and take our bring our you can bring it somewhere here. You can bring it somewhere here. Let's bring it somewhere here. So let's say you are preparing a particular you are preparing a particular slide and you want to move this chart to a particular slide. All you need to do, there's a three icon, there's this icon here. You click on it, you can delete, you can edit the chart from here also, and you can copy the chart. So you go to your slide. Let's say my slide is here. Create a new slide and let's give it a title. Let's give it a title. Beta beta for, let's say, fruits. Later for fruit produced some random, let's say random. Then we can insert our charts just easily. It will ask you whether you want to link it to the spreadsheet or you want to paste on link. But I want to paste it on link. On link, yeah. I don't want it to create any link for me. So you just adjust it to fit what you need. Yeah, and that's all about creating graph. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I would like you to follow my YouTube channel to be able to get more content, more informative content, and variety content. Thank you very much.